Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the topic how we use energy. But first, let's do a simple math problem. How far does it go? So imagine you're playing football. You kick the ball 15 meters into the goal. The ball travels at a speed of 5 meters per second. How many meters does the ball travel in 2 seconds? Well, distance equals speed times time. Therefore, 5 meters per second times 2 seconds equals 10 meters. Okay, now look at these 3 questions. You should be able to do all of them, and I will give you the answers at the end of the video today. So please be sure to watch the whole video and see you at the end. I will read these questions for you now. Number 1. How many meters does the ball travel in 3 seconds? Number 2. How many meters does the ball travel in 4 seconds? Number 3. How many seconds would it take for the ball to reach the goal if it were 25 meters away? Remember that the answers will be provided at the end of the video. Energy sources. Energy is the ability to do work. You do work when you make something move. Carrying your books and walking to school are ways of doing work. Without energy, things cannot move, stretch, or grow. Physical and chemical changes can only happen with energy. The sun provides most of the energy used on Earth. This energy reaches Earth as light and heat. It warms Earth to a temperature that living things need. The energy from the sun allows living things to grow. Using stored energy. The energy your body uses does not come directly from the sun. It comes from stored energy in the food you eat. When digested food reaches your body parts, this energy is released. Stored energy is also found in batteries, as well as in fuels such as gasoline. Using energy from batteries. Stored energy can be used up. Suppose you have a toy car that runs on a battery. When the car is turned on, the chemical energy in the battery changes into energy of motion. When you play with the car, the energy gets used up. Eventually, the battery runs out of energy and the car stops running. A battery-operated toy car changes chemical energy into energy of motion. Getting energy from fuel. When food is cooked on a charcoal grill, the burning charcoal gives off heat energy, which cooks the food, and light energy. The charcoal is a fuel. Coal, oil, natural gas, and gasoline are fuels. When a fuel burns, its chemicals change. Stored energy is released. The stored energy becomes heat and light energy. Oil and natural gas are used to heat homes. The fuel is burned in a furnace. Burning the fuel causes heat energy to be released. The heat energy warms the air inside the house. Heat energy can also be used to cook food. So, the chemicals in charcoal release stored energy when the charcoal is burned. Getting energy from food. Your body needs energy to grow, play, learn, and stay at the right temperature. You get that energy from food. Food has stored energy. When you eat, your body breaks down food into different substances. Some of the substances are carried to your muscles by your blood. Your muscles change the substances into energy of motion and heat energy. You use the energy of motion to run and play. The energy of heat is used to keep your body warm. For example, here we can see what people in different countries usually eat for breakfast. Breakfast is an important meal. It provides energy for the rest of the day. Don't skip your breakfast. At the beginning of the video, I promised to give you the answers to the 3 questions. So, let's quickly talk about them. Number 1. How many meters does the ball travel in 3 seconds? Remember, the speed was 5 meters per second. So 5 times 3 equals 15. The ball travels 15 meters in 3 seconds. Number 2. How many meters does the ball travel in 4 seconds? Well, now this should be pretty easy. The ball travels 5 meters per second for 4 seconds, and that means we take 5 times 4 and we get 20. Number 3. How many seconds would it take for the ball to reach the goal if it were 25 meters away? Okay, this question is also easy, just a little bit different. So the ball travels 5 meters per second, and we know the distance. Now we want to know the amount of time. Therefore, we take 25 meters and divide it by the speed, and that gives us 25 divided by 5, and that comes to 5. So the ball will take 5 seconds to travel 25 meters. Did you get all the answers? Do you agree with my answers? If you don't agree, next time you see me, let me know. Okay, well, good job. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for listening to the video today. I hope you learned something. I hope it was useful. And take care. See you next time. Goodbye.